Peshawar, considerata una delle città più pericolose al mondo a causa dell'enorme mercato nero di armi e eroina, ma soprattutto per i numerosi attentati terroristici subiti in passato dai talebani. Sono stato invitato in città dall'imam della moschea più antica di Peshawar per spiegarmi cosa vuol dire davvero essere musulmano. Sono l'unico turista in città, ma mi sento assolutamente a mio agio tra sguardi curiosi, street food e strette di mano.
C'è una cosa che distingue i pakistani oltre alla loro generosità, sono le strette di mano. Per loro è un segno di rispetto e quindi tutti quanti mi stanno stringendo la mano.
Hello. You're from which country, brother?
Italy.
Hi.
Tutto molto bello, le strette di mano, il mangiare, però non riesco a contattare l'imam perché oggi c'è una protesta e hanno tagliato completamente la connessione, sia internet sia le chiamate, e quindi non so come contattare l'imam.
Excuse me, do you know where is the imam?
Who imam?
Tayyab.
The big mosque?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, I know.
Can you tell me where is it?
Yes, you can come with me.
On the motorbike?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Il Pakistan è veramente un posto meraviglioso. Mi ero perso in mezzo alla città, non sapevo dove fosse la moschea dell'imam e Kumai mi sta portando direttamente dall'imam. Mi ha visto un po' perso in mezzo alla città e mi ha detto non ti preoccupare, ti porto io dall'imam. E adesso sto facendo lo slalom tra le persone, chiaramente tutto senza casco, qui il casco è vietato. Dovremmo averlo trovato, dovrebbe essere qui nella madrasa di Peshawar. La madrasa è la scuola religiosa dove i bambini studiano il Corano, infatti adesso stanno arrivando tutti i bambini. Assalamu alaikum! È come se fosse un oratorio praticamente, però loro studiano il Corano tutti i giorni. Shall I take off my shoes?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Oh, baby! Very nice to meet you.
Type, you know that it's the first time that I meet an imam in my life. Never met an imam in my life. So I think that this is such a precious moment for me to debunk all the stereotypes, all the myth about the Muslim religion, the Muslim culture. So what do you think if I tell you some strong statement and then you tell me if it's true or not? Islam is a violent religion and Muslim identifies with terrorism.
Meaning of Islam is peace. So Islam is not a violent, peaceful religion. Islam teaches for the peace, respect, humanity. You just see our madrasa. The only teaching is about peace, kindness, and we have no personal agenda against any religion or any country or any European country or America. We've been suffering from the terrorism. See the Pakistan. More than 80,000 people been killed in the suicide and bombs, we don't support. And why the changes come here? In this office where you're sitting, the Christian is coming here, Hindus, the Sikh, all the religion, they come here, we go there. And why we are doing this? Just to change, the mindset and just show them that we don't hate, we love.
Islam oppresses women and forces them to a subservient role. What do you tell me about it?
This is totally wrong and propaganda. Islam give the rights more than any religion in the world. The only difference between the other thinking and Islam teaching about to cover women. And this is the basic education in our Quran. People think that women is forced by the Muslims. This is not right. They happily follow Islam.
Okay, last statement. Islam is a exclusive religion and all the other religions are wrong.
No. Islam is the continuity of the other religions. Some religions are very old. And there is a big sentence in Quran. Anyone who claim that he is a Muslim, he should follow that the Bible, that the other books, all the books come with the prophets, we believe. My love with my prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and my love is the same with the prophet Jesus.
can we say that there is only one God and each of us call it in a different way? Like you call it Allah, we call it God, others call it in another way. Can we say this?
For sure, we should say that. You see, it's not possible to put everyone together and force everyone to be a Muslim or to be a Christian. We should accept there is lobbies working. Christians are doing, they're forcing people, inviting people, Muslims and other also. But no doubt, there is one God.
Back home, there is lots of confusion about the Islamic world, Islamic religion, culture. So I think that this conversation between us can clarify a few points also back home. But now, I'm here to ask you actually 10 questions. 10 questions about happiness. Are you ready? What is something small that always makes you smile?
Very easy and free, no cost, is a good smile.
So a good smile makes
If I see smile on the children or anyone, so makes me happy.
What is the first thought when you wake up?
I pray for good day, for happy day. If you're happy, you're rich.
What do you think are the 3 most beautiful things in the world?
The first, parents. And my society is all around, the parents. They are very important to us. You are lucky if you have your parents alive, good, healthy, and you respect them. And the second, your family life with your wife. If you are upset from your family life, you cannot do anything. Happy life means happy partner. If you don't have a good partner, then you are in trouble. The third thing, you go around and meet everyone, not only your religion, meet humans.
What was the event that changed your life?
I've been in United States. When the 9/11 happened, I've been arrested there. But this arrest is changed my mind because I come back to Pakistan. Then I realized that I should be on this place maybe long time ago, In this way, I find out my skill, what I have and what I can do. Because in America, I was feeling about me that I'm only a worker. I'm maybe good man, but worker, what this much I can. So sometimes if you have a hard time in your life, it's a big lesson. Don't think and don't take it bad.
What is the most precious thing you own?
Maybe the life or maybe my job.
Choose one.
Choose one. I think my job. Why? Because life is only me and the job is for everyone.
What does dying means to you?
We believe that the life after this life is very, very difficult. You have to answer everything what you did, because this life is given by Allah to you for something. This is in Quran. For something. Not just for this, that you killing people, you robbing people, you doing everything and you think you are here just for nothing. You just think about this.
What is the perfume of happiness for you?
When you hug your mother, and if you have really feeling, I think this is the most sweetest from the good smell, because when you hug your mother, for that much time, you think you are flying, like an angel. You close your eyes and then you are on the different world.
Okay, last question. What is the recipe of happiness for you?
To be straight. Don't ever lie, because this will make yourself, Because if you cheating someone, it's mean you cheating yourself, your character. You are not a good man. Accept what you have. Don't fight, don't rush, and don't took anyone money. If you are good, your hands, your eyes, everything is working functional. It's a big, big gift from Allah. So we should enjoy the gift. If you finish this, only the small thing, believe me, your life is, very good.
Questo è ciò che succede quando si viaggia. Impari a sostituire la paura dello sconosciuto, del diverso, con la curiosità di scoprire e di capire gli altri. E mi viene da pensare che forse il razzista è solo una persona che non ha viaggiato abbastanza.